Fire raises Montego Bay Shoes Market in St. James.
Vendors will be picking up the pieces today after a massive fire razed sections of the Montego Bay Shoes Market in St. James in the wee hours of Sunday morning. It is not immediately clear what caused the fire, but was told that the fire began sometime before 2 a.m. Firefighters responded and the blaze was eventually brought under control. Watch the amateur footage captured of the blaze and the scene this morning.
Shoes Arcade, current situation.
I touch you all arcade. Thing gone flat dog. Dog. I touch you all arcade. Thing gone flat dog.